Welcome to the Green Hops. Nepal's Prime Minister KP Oli made a major statement in his parliament amid the ongoing border dispute with India. He made a statement in parliament claiming three Indian territories as Nepal's land. He further said, if somebody is angry, we don't mind, we don't care. On the other hand, Nepal has released a new map which has described Kalapani, Lipu Lake, and Olympiadhura as Nepal's territory. According to media reports, Nepal considered these territories under their jurisdiction. The Indian map shows these territories as Indian land as of now, but Nepal has released a new map claiming these lands. The Prime Minister of Nepal, while making a statement in his parliament, said that Tibet will be withdrawn at any cost to our areas adjoining China and India. Without naming India, he said that we are now constantly engaged in withdrawing these areas from a diplomatic approach. We don't mind what anybody understand, but we will continue to take our lands back. For your information, we must tell you Nepal is adjacent to the border of China, Tibet, and India. PM Nepal has approved the new political map in his speech, which remains a border dispute with India. Indian Army Chief Narwade had said that there is some other country behind this politics and claim, on which Nepal responded and said that there is no one else behind this and this is not politics. The Prime Minister of Nepal replied that whatever we do it ourselves, and at the same time we want to maintain friendly relations with India. India had released a new political map on November 2, 2019 last year, in which these all three territories were claimed as Indian territory, on which Nepal had made a strong objection to Indian government in 2019. The dispute between India and Nepal is not new for these three territories, but the only solution as of now seems that both the governments should come on the table, and this problem and other conflicts should only be solved through dialogues. If you like our channel, like, share and subscribe. We will keep bringing you such informative videos. Thank you.